Hey guys, welcome to Rudra Tech Tutorials. Objective of this video is why to use and how to install following tools, which includes Integrated Development Environment, that is the IDE, Package Manager, NPM and Angular CLI. Now coming to our first point, that is Integrated Development Environment, IDE. IDE is a software application which consolidates all the features and tools required by a software developer. Now, in simple words, IDE is a software that will help you to develop your application, and it will also provide all the tools that are required by you at the time of development of any application. There are several IDEs out there on internet, but I'm going to recommend following two. First one is Visual Studio Code. This is developed by Microsoft and it is free to use, and I also use this one. Now it is very easy to use and freely available on internet. Then is the WebStorm. WebStorm is developed by JetBrains and it's a great tool. Only problem with WebStorm is it has only 30 days of trial period and it is a paid tool. Still, it's a very great tool to use. Then the next point is Package Manager. A package manager helps in management of dependencies of a particular project. That is, a package manager will help in managing the version of Angular and its dependencies. Now, NPM is the package manager for JavaScript programming language, and it is distributed with Node.js, and it can be downloaded using this URL. So you go to this URL, and once we go to this URL, you will be able to download it from here, and the installation steps are very simple. Once you install the package manager, go to the command prompt and execute the command npm-v. This will tell you the version of the npm or the package manager installed on your desktop. Once it is installed, we will be able to install several other tools that are required for Angular development. Now here you can see my package manager version is 6.11.3. Now I have already installed it, so I have not shown the steps that are required to install the Node.js. Once this is done, you will be able to use this package manager to manage the versions of Angular and its dependencies. Once you are done with installation of NPM, we need to install Angular CLI. The Angular CLI is a command line interface tool. It helps in initialize, develop, scaffold and maintain Angular applications directly from a command shell. In simple words, it can help you to create a project, create components, pipes, services, directives that are present within Angular, and it will also help you to run the application, execute the test and build the application as well. We can install the Angular CLI using the command npm install -g, this is for global, @angular/CLI, and we can get all the details regarding the Angular CLI from this website. So the Angular CLI is a very essential part in development of Angular. It makes your life easy while developing, executing the application along with execution of test as well. And it will also help you to add dependencies like Bootstrap or Angular Material or RxJS and maintain those dependencies using Node.js and Angular CLI. All the links that I have mentioned in the video are present in the description below. I hope you have liked this video. Do subscribe and thank you.